In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create and use Xrefs external references explained in AutoCAD. Xrefs let you reference another drawing inside your current file without copying all of its geometry. That keeps your files lighter, ensures teams are always looking at the latest version, and makes coordination much easier across disciplines. Let's start by opening the Xref Manager. In the command line, type Xref or type External References and AutoCAD will open the External References palette. Using the command line is quick and consistent across versions. And the palette gives you a central place to see and manage all referenced files in your drawing. Next, attach a file. In the Xref Manager, click the Attach DWG icon, or use the drop-down in the top left and choose to attach a drawing. Navigate to the DWG you want to reference and select it. You are not importing the geometry. You are linking to it, which is why the next few options matter. In the dialog, set the path type to relative path. This is a best practice on almost every project. A relative path stores the link in a way that's resilient when the project folder is moved or shared with others. As long as the internal folder structure stays the same. Absolute paths can break when drives or user directories change, and no path can lead to missing references if files aren't in the same folder. Now choose the reference type. Pick Attachment if you want this Xref to carry through when your drawing is referenced into another file. Choose Overlay if you want to prevent it from nesting into other drawings. Overlay is ideal to avoid circular references and unwanted layers traveling through multiple files. While Attachment is useful when downstream users should see the full context. For proper alignment, set the insertion point to 0, 0, 0. The scale to 1, and the rotation to 0. This places the reference at the shared origin. At full size and without any twist. These defaults prevent accidental scaling and rotation and make sure everything lines up with project coordinates. If your team is using a known project base point or survey coordinate system, these values ensure consistency. If things don't line up as expected, confirm that both drawings share the same origin and units before making changes. With the Xref attached using a relative path, the correct reference type, and clean insertion settings, your host drawing will display the external file exactly where it belongs, keeping your project organized and your references dependable. Thanks for watching.